to take the views and opinions of various departments, and some of the departments that are crucial to this bus stand are Directorate of Transport, Traffic Police, PWD, Fire Department, Hapsa Municipal Council, Urban Health Center. These are the basics. Now we are also going to visit the interim bus stand which has been built there. That bus stand also is on the side of the road. So today we will be looking at what task the Kadamba Transport Corporation has to undertake in terms of maintaining the safety. As you know, in a bus stand, there is a constant movement of vehicles. At the same time, there are some shops, there is some garbage. So lots of possibilities are there. One of the things we are very worried about is about fire. As you know, Benjim bus stand, there was a massive fire, huge loss of revenue to the shop owners, etc. Now, that is one area that we'll be looking at today. Then we are also looking as far as the electricity department lines are concerned, which are on the periphery of the bus stand. Okay? We are also looking at, after moving in the bus stand, we will see the safety of the passengers on the bus stand platform. For example, as you can see, the vehicle comes here and just goes out, picks up the passengers. Now, there are many senior citizens. There are people with disabilities. So all their concerns we have to examine, because when we talk of safety, we have to look at it in holistic way. So today we will move through the bus stand, then we will see at both the entry and exit point what changes can be done. We have got representatives from the Charles Correa Foundation, they are here today. They will also assist us in identifying what are the changes that can be brought. We have made some recommendations already earlier, but one of the things that we would like to ensure immediately that there is a proper movement of pedestrians and the vehicles in the bus stand. As if this is not happening, then we can have a disaster. As you have seen in Panjim bus stand, the bus has come on the wrong side and crushed the passengers as they were getting out from another bus. So these things can happen because, as you know, there is an entry to the subyard. So there are many scooters, vehicles going to the market inside the bus stand. So all these type of things are there. And in our earlier discussions, we have presented all these items to the collector. And since the matter comes under the Consumer Protection, as rightly pointed out, you require a fire protection plan for this bus stand. Now it so happens to see behind me, there are new shops which are going to be allocated by Hapsa Municipal Council. Very good. It's a good thing. People will get jobs, people will get employment. But if we don't do fire protection, what has happened in Panjim bus stand will happen here. Only then we will be discussing our jurisdiction. The fire started in KTC bus stand and it burned the shops of MMC. The dividing border line is very small, and therefore the fire hydrants, 6 fire hydrants that have been fixed up, we are saying that both agencies immediately should activate it, put the water pump, put whatever is required, test it out, so that at least we can see something by end of December. We are already pointing, 4th is Diwali. If you look at the surrounding of the bus stand, it makes us cry. That this is not the way a festival is celebrated. And this is a major bus stand for the tourists. So the impression being taken away from this bus stand will be very, very negative. So our hope is that if all agencies work together, and therefore this inspection was organized under the North Goa District Road Safety Monitoring Council of the committee which is chaired by Mr. Shripad Naik, Honorable Minister, Union Minister. So a report of this will also go to him. We are confident that the Transport Secretary, the Honorable Minister for Transport, Mr. Movin Gudino, Mr. Carlos Abreveda, Chairman of KTC, will look into these issues as soon as the report is compiled by the Enforcement Department.
So हे तुमचे थर्ड टाइम इन्स्पेक्शन तुम्ही म्हटले सेकंड टाइम केल्यानं कितें यूज जालो
सेकंड टाइम झाले त्यांना कोविड येयले आता 17-18 महिने कोविडाचे झाले म्हणून आम्ही इन्स्पेक्शन घेतले आणि हो इन्स्पेक्शन आम्ही कित्याक फिक्स केले कित्याक ह्या विकान रोड सेफ्टी वीक चलता रोड सेफ्टी विकान आम्ही लोकांक सांगता हेल्मेट घाल हे करता आम्ही सांगता पूण इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर इम्प्रूव जावपाक जाय ताका लागून आयचो इन्स्पेक्शन आयज आमी फिक्स केले. काही कारणां लागून थोडे आमचे ऑफिसर जे हांगा वचपाचे आसले ते ऑनरेबल वायस प्रेसिडेंट येयला म्हणून त्या फंक्शनाक लागून ते बंदोबस्ताक केल्लेले आसा. बट आवर होप इज दॅट इवन द टॅक्सी, motorcycle pilots, rickshaw people will also understand good bus stand is benefit for everybody. I also want to tell you our next inspection will be happening at Konkan railway station because this program is to inspect all the entry points. Whether a person who comes from Konkan railway can reach the bus stand, what are the bus timings, they सगळे आम्ही follow up करतले. So as the first part we have done today's inspection of the bus stand.
So there is also lot of garbage at the bus.
Exactly. So as you have seen, our proposal is that gate has to be removed, that broken wall has to be removed, and once the buses are allowed to come inside, there will be no problem for people dumping garbage. People are dumping garbage for only one reason, because there is an enclosure. When there is a movement, nobody will throw garbage. As you see, all our taxis